Hi everyone, Sarah Hopkins here, owner and one of the senior physiotherapists at Hibiscus Neuro Rehab. Just jumping on because I wanted to send you a very Merry Christmas video to say thank you so much to all our referrers, our clients, our community that have worked with us in 2025. It's been a busy year. We've loved working with all our clients. We've loved supporting the community and really getting in there and making the lives better of those that we work with. So from our team and family to yours, we wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas, and we're looking forward to an amazing time in 2026. Have a great day. We look forward to seeing you all next year.